Hey, thanks for joining me. So I get this question a lot, which is around enabling deposits, first of all, on the cart, and second of all, for select customers. So let's say you have trade accounts and you want to offer a 20% deposit to those trade customers. How do you do that? So in this guide, I'm going to take you through all the pieces of that setup and how you can go about it. First things first, we do rely on customer tags. So the first thing you want to do is head over to customers and make sure there's a tag that you can use to only show them the deposit option. Here you can see I have the trade tag, so that's what I'm going to be using for my workflow. And so on this cart page, you can see here, I have the button set up. And to enable this, there's two main steps. First being that Downpay has the products enabled for a deposit of 20%. And so here you can see here, I've built a purchase option and it's available actually on my whole store. But of course, we're going to be hiding it for customers that aren't signed in that don't have that tag. But it's just an easy way to kind of have everything included. You can also exclude products like gift cards if you want to as well. So once this is set up, of course, with your deposit amount and with your payment due date. So this one has 60 days after checkout. That is good to go. We're going to head over to the theme editor. And so in the theme editor, we're going to be playing around a little bit with the cart page. So first things first, we want to make sure that the Downpay cart deposit is enabled. Now, you may not see this one in your store because this is a beta feature, but if you need it, please let us know and we're happy to enable it for you. Alternatively, you can actually use the product page block as well if you want to just have it on individual products. It's this one here called product block. So we do have both in case you need them. Now on the cart page, once we have Downpay enabled, we don't see it because I actually already have the script, the liquid script that hides it. So the custom liquid script is what we'll be using. And the way that we first create a custom liquid block is by hovering over until we see this little plus here, and then we're just going to search for it. So I just type in custom, there it is, and you'll add it to your theme. Now, inside this custom block, we will be adding a script that will determine how the Downpay button shows or hides. And this script here, basically what it's doing is if a customer is signed in with a tag that contains trade, we're going to actually show the Downpay cart block. Otherwise, it's going to be hidden. So we do have copies of these in our docs. Happy to share that as well in case there's interest. And without further ado, of course, once we save everything, we'll be able to go to the cart, click checkout with deposit, and we'll be able to check out with the 20%. And we will be able to charge the card in the future or send an invoice as well for the remaining balance. So that is kind of the overview of cart deposits with conditional statements like hiding the option for non-trade customers. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to see more videos like this, also please let me know.